ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ
ਫਤਿਹ।
ਫਤਿਹ।
ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ, ਮਾਸਟਰ ਆਫ ਮਾਸਟਰ, ਮਾਸਟਰ ਆਫ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਮਾਸਟਰ, ਮਾਸਟਰ ਆਫ ਮਾਸਟਰਲੈਸ, searcher of heart, inner knower, great Guru, immaculate God, unseen, unspoken Guru, unaccessible, unfathomable God, great Guru, searcher of heart, inner knower, great giver, treasure of peace, great Guru, great Guru Granth Sahib Ji, beloved servant of great Guru, divine light of 10 Guru Granth Sahib Ji, silent saga of great Guru Shabad Guru, scent of great Turki Bani ai tin sagli chint mitai. We are in congregations of great Guru Tan Tan Sahib Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. We are in company of great Guru Granth Sahib Ji. We should thanks to God because of we have got great destiny. Great Guru have to given to us. Great Guru grant to us great mercy. That's why we are here. We are listening sermon of great Guru. That's why we should thanks to God from deep heart. So I would like to tell you about, we will discuss Guru Shabad, deliberate of great Guru Shabad, Turki Bani ai tin sagli chint mitai. First, we would like deliberate indeed great Shabad, which Shabad was given to us by great Guru Tan Tan Sahib Sri Guru Nome Patsha 9th Master Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji. When we read Bani of Shabad of great Guru Nanak Patsha Ji, we will realize, we will feel all Bani of great Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji about us, about our life, about our indeed, about our action. Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji give to us great Shabad. This Shabad was given to us by great Guru, ninth Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, and this Shabad was written in Jatsri Raj, and this Shabad was given to us by great Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Pulyo man maya urjayo, जो जो कर्म किए लालच लग, तह तह आप बंधाए रहाओ. This is a pause line. Guru is saying in pause line, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji is saying about our life in this Shabad. Pulyo man maya urjayo, forgetted man, deep man, unconscious man, our heart forgetted. What? Pulyo man, forgotten our man, maya urjayo, entangled with maya, intoxicated with maya. Our all body part, all organ intoxicated with Maya. Guru is saying about Maya. भूलियो मन माया उर्जायो, our heart intoxicated, our heart imbued in Maya. Our eyes, our ear, our tongue, our nose, all body part intoxicated with Maya. But we don't know about this. Great Guru know about this. Guru is saying about that, but we don't know about our heart, our eyes, our nose, our ear, all body, our heart intoxicated with Maya. That's why we don't go Gurdwara. That's why we don't observe great Ambrose Balban in our heart, indeed in our heart. How can we get ecstasy in our heart, intuitive in our heart? How can get illuminate in our heart? Never. Because of our heart, our mind, all body part intoxicated with Maya, intoxicated with, imbued with worldly relation. That's why we don't observe great Bani, glorious praises, Shabad of great Guru, teaching of great Guru. That's why we don't observe in our heart, because of our mind, our deep mind working under 5 VCs. I would like to tell you about 5 VCs. We have got 5 VCs, and Guru is saying, home naame naal virodh hai. You can take Guru observe name, ambrosible name. If you want to shrine in our heart ambrosible name, mercy of a great Guru, you have to remove your 5 VCs. Your eyes working under in 5 VCs. Your tongue working under 5 VCs. Your ear, your eyes, your ear working under 5 VCs. Pulio man maya urjayo, man, deep man, entangle in Maya, entangle worldly relation, entangle in lewd lalach, 5 VCs. Jo karma kiyo lalach lak. Guru is saying, what have done action, which type of action we have done, jo karma kiye lalach lak. We have done all bad action, we have action. जो कर्म कियो लालच लग विद ल्यूड, तह आप बंधाए. About that you stuck, you have stuck, because of you have done a wrong action. Karma, we have not done right action, we have doing not good action. Constantly we have doing not right action. जो कर्म कियो लालच लग तहते आप बंधायो, रहाओ पौज समझ न परी बिखे रच रचियो, जस हर को बिसरायो. I have no understanding at all. I am engaged in the pleasure of corruption, and I have forgotten the praises of Lord. I have forgotten teaching of great Guru. Whatever I have do while engaged in greed only serve to blind to be dumb. समझ न परी बिखे बिख रचियो, जस हर को बिसरायो. I have no understanding. That's why I turned our face from great Guru, and when I turned our face from great Guru. I am stuck in 5 VCS. I am imbued 5 VCS. I am intoxicated 5 VCS. And when I intoxicated 5 VCS, great Guru forgive us. How can remove 5 VCS? If we want to ecstasy in our heart, ecstasy, if we want ecstasy in our heart, we intuitive, we have to remove. Or how can we remove? And there is a big question. We can't remove yourself, and we have to go, we have to observe, we have to take in company of holy congregations of great Guru Granth Sahib Ji. We have to get up quarter last night. We have to get up early in the morning. We have to get up quarter last night early in the morning. Ambrosial hour. When we will get up quarter of last night and chant of great Shabad, we will chant teaching of great Guru, we will chant glorious praises, we, and after that Guru will impress our side, and when Guru will impress our side, Guru will grant to mercy us, and when will Guru grant to mercy, we will become silent saga, a religious scholar. Guru is saying, Sang Swami so janyo nahan ban khojan ko taya. Guru is saying, Sang Swami, the Lord and O Master is with me, but I don't know about him. I run into the forest looking for him, but we don't know about he have in our side, inside, in heart. We are searching, we are searching in forest, but he have in our heart. Sang Swami sujane nahi ban khojan ko tayo, ratan naam kat hi ke pitar, taako gyan na payo. The jewel of the Lord is deep within my heart, but I don't have any knowledge about him, of him. Ratan Naam, jewel of great Shabad, jewel of great Guru, jewel of teaching of great Guru, jewel of a glance of grace. We don't know about this, because of he is a great giver, give to us everything. We have got everything, luxurious house, luxurious car, luxurious life. We have been spending our luxurious life constantly. We are taking everything from great Guru. Everything was given to us by great Guru, but we don't thanks to great Guru. Why? We should thanks to God for everything, for our beautiful eyes, tongue, ear, but we don't. That's why we become corrupted. We should relay of great Guru, of great Bani. We should relay, and that Bani we should deliberate in our heart. Deliberate. We should deliberate great Bani intoxicated. Guru is saying in last line, Jan Nanak Bhagwant Bhajan bin Birtha Janam Gavayo. O servant Nanak, without vibrating, meditating on the Lord God, human life is uselessly wasted on lust, uselessly wasted and lost. We don't know about our life. Because of this life we can't get again. This is a true. We have to believe on this. This life merge again in once in end. But we don't know. we will merge again in one's divine light of great Guru. We will merge again in divine light in great Guru if we have done here right action. We have do right action. Otherwise comes messenger of death, wicked and evil, to take from here with the forcefully. You can't do that. You can't do that time. They take to you. They catch your hair and take to you. You can't do anything that time. So we should come in Gurdwara. We should deliberate Shabad of great Guru Granth Sahib Ji. We should shrine great Bani in our heart. We should deed great Bani in our heart. That's why great Guru will grant to us great mercy. We will become silent saga. When we will become silent saga, and this great Guru and this life become happy. So itniyan ka bentiyan Paraman. I have done lot of mistake in during Katha. I will pray great Guru and Shangat of great Guru, company of holy congregations of great Guru, forgive me, and great Guru kind to me, and grant me great wisdom, intelligence. I can do great Sarvan Katha. So Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji